Let's connect the light strip, camera, and adapter. See that flashing blue light? That means we're good to go. Clean the TV back so the strips stick better. Now, based on your TV size, choose the appropriate LED strip installation location. Start sticking from the top left. Don't get too close to the edges and cover all sides in sequence. At the corners, bend and lock it in with the clips and stickers. Now for the camera, place it in the top center. Hook the front lip onto the bezel. Make sure it forms a nice 90-degree angle with the screen. Connect the light strip and adapter to the camera. Then secure the camera base using the adhesive pad. Use a bit of tape to keep those wires flat. This prevents any shadows. For placement, if you've got a stand or full motion mount, keep it about 6 inches from the wall. Fixed mount, just lower the brightness a bit. Hold the button for 5 seconds until you see the blue light flashing. Please turn on Bluetooth or Wi-Fi at the same time. Tap Add. When you see one device detected and the backlight turns multicolor, you're all set. For option 1, just gently stick those foam pads onto all 7 calibration points. In the app, tap the position that matches where your light strip is. The calibration lines shouldn't overlap, cross each other, or go past the edge of your screen. Drag your finger over the green dots first, then the purple ones, right onto those foam pads. When you're done, peel the foam gently from the side or give it a little twist. Don't yank it straight off. If you'd rather not use foam, no problem. Just play Camera Calibration Test from Lepro's YouTube channel. When calibrating with video, keep the room dark. Let's make the room completely dark. Remove nearby lights so there's no glare on the screen. Now we'll tweak a few settings to get the colors just right. First, tap Segment. Then adjust these 3 settings, brightness, saturation, and speed, until the lights match what you see on screen. Got a smart TV? Head to Lepro official YouTube channel. Casting from your phone? Scan the QSG code. Using a PC? Connect via HDMI or download it to a USB drive. Now play it in full screen and adjust settings to match the light. Adjust saturation and brightness so the light color closely matches the colors on screen. Lastly, ensure the lights are correctly changing color as the color wheel rotates.